Metonymy and synecdoche, aren't they kind of the same thing? Not quite. While they are similar, there is a key difference between them. Metonymy, this is when you substitute one word or phrase for another closely related concept. Instead of saying the actual thing, you use something associated with it to imply the meaning. For example, when you hear the White House issued a statement, no one literally thinks the building is talking. You know it means the people working inside, the government officials, the president is making a statement. Another classic example, the pen is mightier than the sword. Now, the pen stands for writing or ideas and sword represents violence or war. Now, synecdoche. This is a specific type of substitution where you use a part of something to represent the whole or whole to represent a part. For instance, if someone says all hands on deck, they don't mean just your literal hands. They are referring to entire people, their bodies. Here, hands are a part standing in for the whole body. Or think about when we say, I bought a new set of wheels. No one thinks you went shopping for tires. You actually mean a whole car. In this case, wheels, a part, represent the entire vehicle, the whole. You can also flip it around and use the whole to refer to a part. For instance, the world treated me badly. Now, doesn't mean the entire planet. It's just a way of describing society, a group of people who form a part of that whole world. So, metonymy is about association. You replace one thing with another that is related but not a physical part of it. It is not connected that intimately. The White House for the government of, or Hollywood for the film industry is metonymy. If the government official walks out of the White House, he still remains alive and very much complete. So that is metonymy. But synecdoche is about parts and wholes. Like hands for workers. If you take away the hands, the worker won't be an intact person. Okay, so synecdoche is more intimately connected because it's either part for whole or whole for part. So when you say that your car keys are your ride home, it means they're loosely associated. They are metonymy. But if you are saying wheel for the car, the wheel is intimately connected to the car. You can't actually have a car without the wheel. That is synecdoche. One is about connection, one is about composition. And in exam situations, if you see that any body part is mentioned, hand, eye, head, usually it is synecdoche. Okay, and if any instruments are used, if any objects are used, if any building is mentioned where people stay, that is metonymy. All right. So, I mean, if you have a confusion between the two, it will do you good if you go through my series on figures of speech. I'll give the link in the description box.